everyone. So this is the third session of the food safety and quality assurance, and the topic which we'll be covering today is safety and quality assessment of fruits and vegetables. Introduction. The color, flavor, texture and the nutrition value of the fresh cut fruits and vegetables products are factors critical to consumers' acceptance and the success of these products. In this chapter or in this session, the desirable and undesirable quality attributes of fresh cut fruits and vegetable products are reviewed. Both instrumental and sensory measurements for determining these quality attributes are discussed. The advantages and disadvantages of sensory and instrumental quality measurements are described. A review of typical unit operations involved in the production of fresh cut products is presented. The effect of fresh cut processing techniques and treatments on sensory quality, including the appearance, texture, flavor of vegetables and fruits, are detailed. Quality of foods may be defined as a composite of those characteristics that differentiate individual units of a product and have significance in determining the degree of acceptability of that unit to the user. Attributes of fruits and vegetables quality. In reference to fruits and vegetables, the characteristics that impart distinctive quality may be described by four different attributes, that is color and appearance, flavor, texture and nutritional value. As consumers, these four attributes typically affect us in the order specified above. For example, we evaluate the visual appearance and color first, followed by the taste, aroma and texture. Kramer in 1965 stated that the appearance of the product usually determines whether a product is accepted or rejected. Therefore, this is one of the most critical quality attributes. Nutritional value is a hidden characteristic that affects our bodies in ways that we cannot perceive. This quality attribute is being increasingly valued by consumers, scientists, and medical professionals. Chemical and physical basis of fruits and vegetable quality. Color is derived. Color. Talking about the color, it is derived from the natural pigments in fruits and vegetables, many of which change as the plant proceeds through maturation and ripening. The primary pigment imparting color quality are the fat soluble chlorophyll, that is green, and carotenoids, yellow, orange and red, and the water soluble anthocyanins, that is red, blue. Flavonoids are yellow and betalains are red. In addition, enzymatic and non-enzymatic browning reactions may result in the formation of water-soluble brown, grey and black colored pigments. The enzymes involved in browning reactions include polyphenol oxidase, which catalyzes the oxidation of the polyphenolic compounds, and phenylalanine ammonia lyase, which catalyzes the synthesis of precursors to phenolic substrates. The chlorophylls are sensitive to heat and acid but stable to alkali, whereas the counterpart carotenoids are sensitive to light and oxidation but relatively stable to heat. Carotenoids may be bleached by an enzyme called lipoxygenase, which catalyzes the oxidation of lipid compounds. Anthocyanins are sensitive to both pH and heat, while the flavonoids are sensitive to oxidation but relatively stable to heat. Betalains are heat sensitive as well. Appearance is determined by physical factors including the size and the shape, the wholeness, presence of defects, that is blemishes, bruises, spots, finish or glow, and consistency. Size and shape may be influenced by cultivar, maturity, production inputs, and the growing environment. It is important for fruits and vegetables to be of uniform size and characteristic shape. Some consumers associate large size with higher quality. The wholeness and absence of defects will be affected by the exposure to disease and insects during the growing period and the harvest and post-harvest handling operations. Mechanical harvesting, for example, may incur more bruises and cracks in fruits and vegetables than hand harvesting. Fruits and vegetable gloss are related to the ability of the surface to reflect light, and freshly harvested products are often more glossy. Gloss is affected by moisture content, wax deposition on the surface, and handling practice post-harvest. Consistency or smoothness may be used as an appearance term but is typically applied to semi-solid products where it indicates product thickness. Flavor, aroma and taste has been defined as a mingled but unitary experience which includes sensation of taste, smell and pressure, and are often cutaneous sensations such as warmth, color or mild pain, Flavor is typically described by aroma and taste. Aroma compounds are volatile. They are perceived primarily with the nose, while taste receptors exist in the mouth and are impacted when the food is chewed. While flavor, color, and appearance may be the acceptance and desire to consume it again. Taste has been divided into five primary tastes, that is sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami, can be described as a taste associated with the salt of amino acids and nucleotides. Odors are much more diverse and difficult to classify, but an attempt of hemming includes the following, that is spicy, flowery, fruity, resinous, or balsamic, burnt, and foul. Stevens stated that it is possible to classify vegetables into two major groups depending on the flavor characteristics. The first group of fruits and vegetables has a strong flavor that can be attributed to a single compound or group of compounds. The bananas, amylacetate, onions with sulfide compounds, and celery with different halides are examples of this group. The second group of fruits and vegetables include those flavor is determined by the number of volatiles, none of which conveys a specific characteristic aroma. Examples in this group include snap beans, muskmelons, and tomatoes. In the evaluation of fruits and vegetable flavor, it is important to consider off flavors as well as desirable ones. The off flavor may be produced through the action of enzymes such as lipoxygenase or peroxidase, which form reactive free radicals and hydroperoxides that may catalyze the oxidation of lipid compounds. When these reactions occur, the result may be developed of undesirable flavors described as rancid, cardboard, oxidized, or wet dog. However, there are instances of enzyme catalyzed reactions that result in desirable flavor. For example, hydroperoxidase lyase catalyzes the production of typical tomato flavor. Texture parameters of fruits and vegetables are perceived with the sense of touch, either when the product is picked up by the hand or placed in the mouth. And in contrast, the flavor attributes, these characteristics are fairly easily measured using instrumental methods. Most plant materials contain a significant amount of water and the other liquid soluble materials surrounded by semi-permeable membrane and cell wall. The texture of fruits and vegetables is derived from the turgor pressure and the composition of individual plant cell walls and the middle lamella glue that holds individual cells together. Cell walls are composed of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectic substances, proteins, and other base vegetable lignin. Tomatoes are example of a fruit vegetable that is approximately 93 to 95% water and 5 to 7% total solids. The latter comprise of roughly 80 to 90% soluble and 10 to 20% insoluble solids. The term texture, rheology, consistency, and viscosity are often used interchangeably, despite the fact that they describe properties that are somewhat different. Nutritional value. Fruits and vegetables are a major source of both macronutrients such as carbon and carbohydrates and micronutrients such as vitamin C, B complex, thiamine, riboflavin, B6, niacin, folate, A, E minerals, and the lesser studied polyphenolic, carotenoid, and glucosinolates. Nutrients may be classified as either water or lipid soluble, meaning they dissolve in water or a lipid medium. Water soluble nutrients include vitamin C, B complex, polyphenolics, and glucosinolates. Fat soluble nutrients include vitamin A, E, and other carotenoids such as lycopene and beta carotene. Vitamin C is the most sensitive vitamin, being degraded relatively quickly by exposure to heat, light, and oxygen. For this reason, it is often used as an index of nutrient Department of Health and Human Services under degradation. Desirable and undesirable quality attributes of fresh cut fruits and vegetables. Fresh cut fruits and vegetables must have an attractive appearance, acceptable flavor, appropriate texture, and a positive nutritional image to attract initial and continued purchases by consumers. Consumers may try and productive attracts by the appearance, but they are unlikely to repurchase an item if it fails to deliver the promise of the appearance. That's all for this session. Thank you.